We are just waiting for 1 or 2 minutes to join others. After that, we'll continue our class. We are just waiting for 1 or 2 minutes to join others.
सर और कितना दिन लगेगा ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट होने में?
That's depend upon you.
सर आपके हिसाब से?
In my respect, or again, or 2 days or 3 days, 2 or 3 class is required.
सर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर व्हाट यू विल स्टार्ट?
Some multiple angle. So after actually trigonometry is required everywhere. So we are going for trigonometry at first, so that we can put all those formula in trigonometry. After that, we will go for the coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, this trigonometry is very necessary. That's why I am starting this trigonometry, as well as it is somehow you know the all the properties of the trigonometry. Some prerequisites knowledge is there. So I am starting with this trigonometry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Only 27 participants. Where about the others? Oh, shall I start the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait for 1 minute, sir. देख लीजिए कौन कौन आता है.
कब तक चलेगा सर? 4:30.
3:30.
4:30. Okay.
Tell me, sir.
Shall start our class. Now, tan 3a is equal to this. Now, what is the formula of tan 3a? Instead of this tan 2a, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, na? Plus tan a divided by 1 minus formula of tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a into tan a.
सर ये वाला कैसे हुआ सर?
This we are putting this one as here.
Yes, sir.
This is the
Thank you,
formula.
sir. समझ.
Again for this tan 2a, we are writing this one. This one is the formula of tan 2a. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We just putting the formula of tan 2a here. Now look at here in the upper half, the LCM will be 1 minus tan square a, na? 1 minus tan square a, then it is 2 tan a plus tan a into 1 minus tan square a. Tan a into 1 minus tan square a for the upper half. For the below half, it is 1 minus 2 tan square a by 1 minus tan square a. Now here it is in upper half 2 tan a plus tan a minus 10 cube A divided by 1 minus 10 square A. Now, if we take the LCM as 1 minus 10 square A into the denominator, then it is 1 minus 10 square A. Now it is 1 into this, that means 1 minus 10 square A.
सर वो 10 कहाँ गया सर? जहाँ पे पुट किए उसके बाद जो लास्ट वाला 10 है
ये
Yes,
क्या
sir.
है?
ये यस सर.
This 2
इंटू हो गया
10 A, that is 2 10 square A. This one is 2 10 square A. Here in upper half 2 10 A into 10 A, that is upper half 2 10 square A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here it is 2 10 square A. Now from here 2 10A plus 10A. So it is 2 10A plus 10A, that is 3 10A minus 10 cube A divided by 1 minus 10 square A. Now in denominator, here it is 1 minus 10 square A minus 2 10 square A, that is 1 minus 3 10 square A divided by 1 minus 10 square A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now if we multiply that, then in upper half it is 3 10A minus 10 cube A divided by 1 minus 10 square A into this 1 minus 10 square A in the upper half, 1 minus 10 square A divided by 1 minus 3 10 square A. Now this and this will be cut. Then the result is 3 10 A minus 10 by
भाई माइक म्यूट करो यार.
1 minus
माइक म्यूट कर दो भाई.
Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
formula of tan 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus 10 cube A. 3 tan A minus 10 cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A. You have to remember this formula. Okay. That means how many formula we are deduced here? How many formulas we are deduced here? Hmm? How many formulas?
The 10.
10 formulas. For the multiplier 2, there was 7 formula. For multiplier 3, there are 3 formula. 7 plus 3, 10. Now we should write down all these 10 formula at a glance. So that you can remember this, you have to remember this one. Shall I remove it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
यस सर
Okay. All of you are requested to mute yourself. So number 1, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Number 2 sin 2A equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Number 3 cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Number 4 cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Number 5 cos 2A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. Number 6 again cos 2A equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Number 7 tan 2A equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Number 8 sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Number 9 cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. And number 10, that is tan 3A is equal to, what is the value of tan 3A?
3 tan A minus 10 QA
3 tan A minus
10 QA
by 1 minus
3 tan
3
square.
10 square.
3 tan square A. So these are the 10 formula which already we have reduced. So these are required, this formula you have to remember, and these are required to solve the problem of our multiple angle, right? In next class, I will give some example where this formula will be applied. So your task is to remember this formula, right? Next class, I will ask one the formula, any of the formula to anyone, and on that occasion, you have to on your video and tell me the formula. Okay?
सर cos 2a का
Okay,
सर
sir.
3 4 को
Four
सर
formula. For sin 2a, there are 2 formula. For cos 2a, there are 4 formula.
सर किस टाइम में कौन वाला यूज करना है
You
कोई
have to
formula से
remember
बना सकते हैं।
all those formulas. This formula will be applicable in the given problem. According to the given problem, we are applying this formula. Where it is necessary, we put that formula cos square A minus sin square A. When it is required, we have to put that cos 2A equal to 1 minus sin 2 sin square A. When it is required, we put cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. So this is depend upon the given problem, right?
Yes, sir.
So when we are going for the solve the problem, then it will be very clear to you where you have to put which formula. But you have to remember all those 10 formulas for find out all the answer of the given problem. Now, one thing, it should be very cautious about that. Look at here, formula number 2 and formula number 7. They are very similar, na? Formula number 2, sin 2a, and formula number 7, tan 2a. They are very similar.
यस सर, सिर्फ माइनस और प्लस का फर्क।
So remember it very carefully. For sine it is plus, for tan it is minus. When sine to a, then all sine will be plus. When tan to a, only the denominator will be minus. So remember these two formula carefully. Otherwise, there is a very much chance to mix up those two formula. I think for today this class is okay. We will go in the next class some problem. Okay, thanks to all
थैंक
of
यू
you.
सर।
सर
थैंक यू
सर
सर।
नेक्स्ट क्लास कितने
सर
बजे
लिसन
होगी?
ना
कोई एक
वो
बोलो.
तो रूटीन में पता चलेगा।
सर वन क्वेश्चन सर.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
सर
What is your question? Please ask.
Bye, sir.
सर सर
थैंक यू सर।
यू हैड गिवन होमवर्क ना सर, उसी में प्रॉब्लम है सर. साइन 210 डिग्री को
अच्छा, उसका प्रॉब्लम जो हम दिए थे उसका
सर
सॉल्यूशन भी तो हम दे दिया है ना, ग्रुप में सॉल्यूशन भी दे दिया है ना.
हाँ दे दिए सर, पर सर कोई और मेथड से उसको भी बना सकते हैं ना सर.
कोई एक मेथड से बनाओ, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट आंसर विल बी द सेम. इफ योर
सर हम जो
आंसर,
भेजे थे सबसे पहले में सर वो ठीक था.
I have not
सर
said
अभी
that, I have only given you the
सर
right answer. How to do it, it is given
सर
there.
क्लास एंड होने के बाद अभी एक
Okay,
बार शेयर कर दे रहे हैं.
ठीक ठीक. Okay, thanks to all of you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।
Okay, have a
Bye.
nice